Hey there, this is 18229 North 20th Parkway, Phoenix, Arizona 85023. This is a complete renovation. Home is just under 1,500 square feet. It's a block home, so it's very efficient. And I'm gonna see if I can list everything that's been done. There's been all new interior doors, all new interior and exterior paint. The siding on the front here is brand new. There's a brand new 4-ton air conditioner. There's an RV gate that was added over here, custom RV gate. The garage door is brand new with an opener that has Wi-Fi. The only thing that I'm aware of that was here that was not exchanged is that garage service door that goes to the RV parking over there. Other than that, everything is new. New hardware, new fixtures, new appliances, new upgraded soft close cabinetry. This is luxury vinyl plank flooring that's waterproof. Once again, fixtures, hardware, paint. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. Window coverings. In addition to the new HVAC, all new ductwork was also installed. New water heater. This is a little game room or office. I'm going to take you right through on a quick little tour of the bedrooms and the bathrooms, and then I'll run outside. There was also insulation added, so it should be much more efficient. Matching cabinetry and granite throughout the home. So that same cabinetry that's in the kitchen is in both bathrooms, the same granite as well. All new doors on the closets. Windows are argon filled double pane vinyl. And the renovation was almost completed just before the holidays began. So there's still a lot of the crew that was working on it took off for the holidays, that they're on their way back. And this beautiful wall system for the shower. All new toilets, faucets. And I'm gonna take you outside real quick so you can see this huge backyard. There was mulch laid all the way around the house. This house was vacant for over a year. There was evidence of termite treatment, so because they weren't sure how long ago that was, the home was treated once again for termites, just as a precaution. But as you can see, this lot is large. It was mulched. This mulch is going to really help the ground here to be fertile or conditioned for grass or whatever might be put in by the new owner. Plenty of yard for gardens. Could add a pool. Could add a pool house. Lot measures just over 9,000 feet. So it's large. Based on the size of the lot, a detached pool house, man cave, she shed can be added here, and it could be significant. It could be a significant size. Once again, a block home, North Phoenix. If you're gonna buy a home in this market, with the interest rates having gone up, you wanna buy a home that doesn't need anything. You don't wanna buy a house and then need to replace an air conditioner or that needs work. This home just went on the market. It does still need a deep cleaning, but it's available. My name is Andrew Texor with HomeSmart. Been serving the needs of buyers and sellers in the real estate market here in the Phoenix metro area since 2000. If I could be of help, if you'd like to see this or any other home listed in the MLS, feel free to give me a call, 602-909-9414.